Dear students, today we are going to learn our topic division. So what is meant by division? Division, it is a repeated subtraction of the same number till we are left with 0. Previously we have studied about multiplication, and multiplication is what? It is a repeated addition. Similarly, division is repeated subtraction of the same number. Now here we will divide, or we will subtract the same number till we are left with 0. At the end we should get 0, so we will divide the same number again and again. Okay, suppose if I am having 12 candies and I have to divide these candies among my 4 friends, so how I will divide them? Equally. Okay, equally I have to divide. So what I will do, first I will give 4 toffees to each of my friend, one toffee to each of my friend. For what I am left with? I am left with 8 toffees. Now this is the first step. Okay, now one time I have subtracted. Now second time I am left with 8 toffees. Now again I will give one toffee to each of the 4 of my friends. Okay, so 8 minus 4 is 4. Now I am left with 4 toffees. This is the second step. Now these 4 toffees, I am now having 4, so I will give the next 4 toffees to my friends. So I am left with 0. So how many times I have subtracted the same number? 3 times. So we can write this fact as a division fact like this: 12 toffees I was having and I have to divide among 4 of my friends. So I have divided 12 by 4. We read it as by. 12 divided by 4. So what I got? How many times I have to subtract the number? 3 times. Okay, then only I will be able to divide it equally. So I got the answer as 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and or you can write it as like this. We write in division form as like this. See, this is the number that is going to divide this number. Okay, so 4 will divide 12. So read the table. 4 3s are 12. We will see if it comes in the table of 4 or not. So you have to learn tables, as tables are very important in division and in multiplication. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. So we will write the answer over here, and here we are left with 0. You can write zeros over here, or you can put a cross. Okay, it is up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do it over here. Now let us learn what. Now let us see. This is the sign of division. You have to put the sign. Many students are there who do not put the sign in addition, in multiplication. Okay, you will not get marks. You do a lot of silly mistakes. So please listen this thing carefully, that you have to assign proper signs. Now, so students, now let us learn some key terms related to division. Now this number is known as dividend. Okay, this is known as dividend. Dividend means the number which is getting divided. जो नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है उसे हम डिविडेंड बोलते हैं. Now this number will be known as divisor. What it will be known as, you have to learn. Okay, it is very important. This number will be known as divisor. Divisor will divide dividend. तो divisor क्या करेगा? जो dividend होगा उसको divide करता है divisor. Now this number is known as quotient. This is the answer that we have got. So this is known as quotient. Okay, the answer that we get after dividing a number, quotient. Now here suppose अगर यहाँ पे कुछ बचता, यहाँ पे वैसे क्या बचा है? 0 बचा है ना? तो 0 जो बचा है यहाँ पे वो हमारा क्या कहलाता है? रिमाइंडर. रिमेन मतलब बचना. So this is remainder. Okay, so this is remainder. Learn this: dividend, divisor, quotient एंड रिमाइंडर. सपोज अगर यहाँ पे 8 बच जाता या 2 बच जाता तो 2 हमारा रिमाइंडर हो. So students, let us learn some of the properties of division that you have to keep in mind when you will divide a certain number. So or when you that you have to keep in mind when you will do division. So first property is division by 1. Okay, first one is division by 1. If any number, take any number, if it is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. We have learned what is quotient. Okay, so the answer that we get after division is called quotient. तो अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें quotient हमेशा क्या मिलेगा? नंबर itself. Okay, so question is 25 is the number that is going to divide, and if we divide 25 by 1, याद रखना कि जो नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिखा होता है, और जो नंबर जिससे जो डिवाइड करेगा, 1 डिवाइड करेगा इसको, इट इज़ रिटन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, तो ये नंबर इसे डिवाइड करेगा. सो वी विल राइट इट एज लाइक दिस. ओके, इन दिस वे वी डू डिवीजन. सो 125 ज़ा कितना होता है? 25. 1 की टेबल में 25 कब आएगा? ये तो आपको पता है, 1 की टेबल आप पढ़ते हो. तो 1 की टेबल में कोई भी नंबर उसी के नंबर इटसेल्फ जो भी है तभी आता है. ओके, जैसे कि 1 की टेबल में 2 कब आएगा? अगर आप 1 into 2 करोगे तब. ओके, सो 125 आर 25. Now if you will divide you will get the same quotient. देखो सेम है ना, 25 को ही डिवाइड कर रहे थे और क्वेश्चन भी हमें सेम मिला. So we can write quotient as Q also. In short form quotient is written as Q. Now let us see 384 is divided by 1. Simple है. You just read this property कि कोई भी नंबर हो अगर 1 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, so quotient will always be the number itself, or answer will always be the number itself. Now second property is division by itself. Division by itself मतलब जो नंबर हमें डिवाइड करना है और डिवाइज़र भी वही हो और नंबर जो डिवाइड होने वाला है वो भी सेम हो. So what we will do, except 0. Okay, we will not take 0 over here. If a number is divided by itself, if we divide any number by itself, or we can say with the same number, the quotient is 1. So the quotient will always be 1. अगर same number है division में तो quotient हमेशा 1 होगा. Let us see an example. 36 is divided by 36. 36 को क्या divide कर रहा है? 36 itself. So the quotient we will get is 1. See how? 36 ones are 36. Okay, like 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 और 2 सेम है. अगर यहाँ पे मुझे 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करना होता तो मैं कैसे लिखती? 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. मैं रीड करती टेबल को. सो 2 ones are 2 होता, isn't it? Similarly 36 ones are 36. रिमाइंडर 0 है, क्वेश्चंट 1 है. 286, if 286 is divided by 286, so the quotient will be, yes, it will be 1. same number अगर आपको कहीं पे दिख जाए डिवीजन में तो quotient will always be 1. So these are the 2 properties. So our next property is very important, that is division by 0. Now division by 0 is not possible. 0 से कभी भी कोई भी नंबर डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता है, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. वी डू नॉट नो वॉट द रिज़ल्ट विल कम, क्या आंसर होगा क्या नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि 0 से कोई भी नंबर डिवाइड होता है तो क्या मिलता है. सो दैट्स वाई डिवीजन बाय 0 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. कभी भी कोई भी नंबर 0 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता. अगर आप लिखो 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 0, इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल, इसका डिवीजन हो ही नहीं सकता. 249 डिवाइडेड बाई 0 विल ऑल्सो नॉट possible. Okay, so remember this thing that division by 0 does not take place or it is not possible. Now look at the another property. The another property is when 0 is divided. Now it is possible to divide 0 by certain number. So when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. So as per this property, अगर हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें जो आंसर है या फिर जो क्वेश्चन है वो 0 ही मिलेगा. Now let us see why. 32 को 0 को हमें 32 से डिवाइड करना है. ओके, वी हैव टू डिवाइड 0 बाय 32. नाउ लेट अस सी इन whether in the table of 32 0 comes or not. We have learned the multiplication property that if 0 is multiplied with any number, we always get 0. So if we will multiply 32 by 0, we will get 0. So we will write it 0 over here. 32 zeros are 0. Okay, so it is possible to divide 0 by a number. The quotient will always be 0. आप बड़ा नंबर भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक अ बिगर नंबर ऑल्सो लाइक 1 2 3 4. ओके, 1 2 3 4. अगर आपको 0 को 1 2 3 4 से डिवाइड करना है, देन ऑल्सो द आंसर विल बी 0. ओके, सो इफ 0 इज डिवाइडेड, 0 डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके, 0 इज डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर, वी ऑलवेज गेट द आंसर एज 0. बट डिविजन बाय 0 इज नॉट possible. We cannot divide any number by 0. You will learn why in higher classes. You will learn the reason why it is not possible. Okay, so these are the properties that you have to remember when you will do the division.